Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed a very important topic of your syllabus, which is what we discuss about the concept of algebraic identities, and we discuss all the algebraic identities which are in your syllabus. Okay, and we take and solve some important question based on that identities. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important concept or topic of your syllabus, which is factorizations. Okay, and students, in your syllabus all the factorizations based on the algebraic identities which we discussed in previous classes. Okay, now let's see, today we could take a question, some question based on the factorization. Let's see the question, and your first question is what? Factorize. First part of the first question is we take as what? 27 AQ plus 125 BQ, and second one, dear friends, second one is what? AQ minus 0.216, AQ minus 0.216. Okay, listen, we now in that question, this what I do, we do what? Factorize. As first question, first part of this question is what? First part of this question is 27 AQ plus 2125 B square, and second one is what? AQ minus 0.216. Thus, therefore, first of all, we take and solve the first part of this question. Let's see. We take the first part of this question, which is what? 27 AQ plus 125 BQ. Therefore, in that type of question, first of all, you observe all the questions. Okay, you observe all the question, and then you think that question based on which identities. Therefore, that is, this is we write 27 A cube as what? 3 AQ. Okay, and we write 125 B cube is what? 5 B cube. So that question based on the identity A cube plus B cube. So let's see. First of all, you write, since you write, we know that what I know there, dear friends, A cube plus B cube. The value of A cube plus B cube is what? This is A plus B in one bracket, and in another bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Okay, this is the very important identity, and that question we solve that question based on that identity. Let's see. So we write 27. Thus, from question, this is 27 A cube plus 125 B cube. Now, so we can write, dear friends, 27 A cube we write 3 A cube plus we write 125 as what? 5 B cube. Now this is the form of A cube plus B cube. Dear friends, the value of A is here what? 3A, and the value of B is what? 5B. So now we apply that identities and we expand that question. Let's see. Look, so we write A plus B in one bracket. This is form of, this is A, this is the B. So A plus B means we write 3A plus 5B in one bracket, and in another bracket we write A square means what? 3A square plus, sorry, minus AB means 3A into 5B. This is minus A into B. Okay, plus B square means what? 5B square. Okay, dear friends, so first of all we expand the given value based on the identities. This. Okay, now let's see. Now we simplify them. We get what? This is 3A plus 5B, and in another bracket this is 9A square minus 3 5 15AB. Okay, plus 5 5 this is 25B square. Thus, in this way, this is our final solution of the given question. So this is our complete answer. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the topic factorization in this way. So first you learn all the algebraic identities which we discussed in previous classes. Then after you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. Now dear students, we take and solve the second part of this question. Let's see. Now we take and solve the second part of this question, dear students. And the second part is what? The second part is what? Let's see. This is a cube minus 0.216. Okay. Dear students, first of all, you write the given question in this way. We write a cube as in this way, and minus this is the, dear students, first of all you know that key 216 is the cube of 6. The cube of 6. So we write what? 0.6 whole cube. And now since we know that a cube minus b cube, the value of a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b in one bracket, in second bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Dear students, a minus b in one bracket and another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Now let's see. Thus. Now we expand that this is the a, this is b. The value of b is what? 0.6 cube. Thus a cube minus 0.6 cube we write as a minus b. A minus b now, dear students. So let's see. A is what? A. B is what? 0.6. Okay. Now in second bracket a square means a square plus ab means a into 0.6 plus b square means 0.6 square. Okay. Now what I do? Now let's see. We simplify them. We get a minus 0.6 in another bracket. This is a square plus 0.6a plus 6 6 are what? 36, and decimal take 2 place left. This is 0.36. 0.36. This is our required solution of the given question. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on factorizations. Okay. Now, dear students, we take and solve some other question of your NCERT exercise based on identities. Let's see, dear students. Now your question is, we take a very important question. Factorize 8x plus y whole cube, 8x plus y whole cube minus 27 x minus y whole cube. Dear student, this is also a very important question of your NCERT exercise. So please let's see its solution. First of all, dear student, in all that type of question, first of all you observe the questions, and then after you think that that question is solved in on which identities. Okay, so this is the important fact of that type of question. So let's see its solution. First of all, we can write the given question in this way. This is 2 into x plus y as a cube. Okay, minus we can write 3 into x minus y a whole cube. First of all, we write the given question in this format, and you know that very well, dear student, a cube. Now this is the form of the identities a cube minus b cube, and you know that the identity or formula of a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b in one bracket, and in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Now so we expand the given question based on that same identities. Let's see its solution. Since you write in this way, since here you write, we know that a cube minus b cube is what? This is a minus b in another bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, dear students. Now we expand them. See, we can write a, this is whole a and this is whole b. So a minus b in one bracket, so this is 2 in a minus b. B means that 3 into x minus y in one bracket. Now in another bracket, this is a square. A means what? 2 into x plus y, a square minus, sorry, plus ab. Ab means what? 2 into x plus y into 3 into x minus, this is plus ab plus b square. Plus b square means what? B is what? Here 3 into a square in this way, right? In this way. Okay. Now b square. B means what? 3 into x minus y whole square. Now look, dear student, first of all we arrange the given question based on that identities. Now we simplifying them. Let's see. It's now look, this is we multiply that in that 2x plus 2y minus 3x minus plus 3y. Okay. Now in next bracket we write what? Now look, this is 2 to the 4 and x plus y whole square. This is the x plus y whole square. And now expand them what on the identity a plus b whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Now look, plus 3 to the 6. This is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square. So this is a square minus b square. Okay. Now plus 3 is a 9. Now in next bracket this is a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 2xy. Okay, listen. So first of all we expand the given values. Now we simplify them. Now here look what is the left value. This is 2x, this is minus 3x, this is what? Minus x, and this is 6 2y and plus 3y is what? 2y is 3y is what? This is 5y. This is minus x and this is plus 5y. Okay. Now in next bracket we multiplying them, we get what? Let's see. This is 4x square plus this is 4y square. Okay. Now plus 2 for the 8xy. Okay, dear students. Similarly we multiplying them, we get what? This is 6x square plus minus. This is 6y square and this is what? Plus 9x square plus 9y square plus minus 9 to the 18xy. Okay, 9 to the 18xy. Now look, we simplifying them, we get what? Minus x plus 5y in another bracket. This is x square. Now first of all we simplify the like terms. Yes, what are like terms? In previous class we also discussed about that that term which contains the same algebraic factors, is known as what? Like terms. So here look, 4x square and 9x square, these are the like terms. So we write as 9 4 13x square. Okay. Now so x square is there also now. Okay, x square is there also. So we write what? This is plus, this is plus, this is plus. So 6 4 10 9 19x square. Okay. Now y square is there. Now look, this is plus y square, 9y square, this is plus 4y square. This is 9 4 13y square and 13y square minus 6y square means plus 7y square. Okay, because of 9y square plus 4y square is what? 13y square and 13y square minus 6y square is what? This is plus 7y square. Okay. Now look, this is plus 8xy, this is what? Minus 18xy. So look dear student, these are also the like terms because of these terms contains the same algebraic factor as xy. So they are also simplifying them each other. So minus plus what? Minus plus what? Minus. So we get what? Minus what? Minus 18 minus plus minus, this minus 10xy, okay, minus 10xy. Now let's see its answer. Yes, right. So this is right result. The required answer is right answer minus x plus 5y in another bracket 19x square minus 10xy plus 7y square. This is our required solution of the given question. Dear student, this is one of the most important topic of your syllabus. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on factorizations. Okay, dear students, now we take and solve some other important questions based on the factorization of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see. Now look, we take and solve some other question of your NCERT exercise based on the identity. Let's see. Factorize. The question is, we take an NCERT question. Factorize 27 minus 125 a cube, 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a minus 135 a plus 225 plus 225 a square, 225 a square. Okay, now look, this is the question I have. This is also very important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, let's see. In first of all, you observe all the questions. Then after you think that that question solved in which identities. This is the important question. Okay. Now look, first of all we observe that question. So we think that this is the cube of 3, means 27 is the cube of 3. Okay. Then we observe that 125a cube is the cube of 5a. Is the cube of 5a. Okay. Then after we see that these two sums, in that term there is no any formula form, and we just common. We take just common these between these two terms. Okay. Now, so first of all, look, let's see the solution. First of all, write your given question. Given that value, suppose that we write this. Now we can write 27 as what? 3 cube minus 125a cube. Write what? 5a cube. Okay, dear students? We can write now. We can write 125a cube as 5a whole cube, because of 5 into 5 into 5 is what? 125. So we can write 5a whole cube. Okay. Now between these two terms we take what is the common value? This is a is also common, and which is the highest common factor of these two terms between these two terms? Means 45. Let's see. This is 45 3s are 135. Okay, and 45 5s are, let's see, 45 5s are 18, 5 5 are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 4s are 22, yes, 225, yes, 5 5s are 225. So we take as minus 45a as common. So we write as, we left value is what? In that term this is 3, minus plus minus, this is 5a. Okay. We get these terms now left. Now this one what I do, let's see. We can write in this way also, 3 cube minus 5a whole cube. Okay, minus, this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, means 3 into a means what? We can write 3. B means what? We can write 5a. And in bracket a minus b. Look difference. Suppose this is the form of a, this is take as a, this is take as b. This is take as a, this is take as b. This is take as a, this is take as b. Now, dear student, look that value expressions. Look, this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. And dear student, you know that right in this here says we know that what we know that a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. This is the formula of a minus b whole cube. We can write a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b is equal to what? A minus b whole cube, right? Now that is the here we can write what? A minus b whole cube means what? 3 minus 5a whole cube, or we can write what? 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5. This is our required solution of the given question. Thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise, dear student, based on these topics. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of questions. Now, dear student, we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on the factorizations. Let's see. Now, look, we take a question, very important question of your NCERT exercise. Look, factorize. The question is factorize 27x cube 27x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 9xyz minus 9xyz. Okay, dear friend, this is a very important question of your NCERT exercise based on factorizations. So let's see. Dear friend, in that question, factorize what? 27x cube minus y cube, okay, minus z cube minus 9xyz. So dear friend, in that type of question, first of all you observe what? You observe whole the questions. Okay, after that you think that questions based on which identities. Okay, so first of all we arrange the given questions in this way. Let's see. First of all we write given value, given expression is what? 27x cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 3xy into z. Okay, this is our given expressions. Now what I do? Look, now we can write 27x cube as what? 3x whole cube. We can write now plus we can write minus y cube as in this way, minus y whole cube. Dear student, if we split minus y whole cube, the power is odd, so result always in minus na. So here we get minus cube, so we can write minus y cube as plus minus y whole cube. Okay. Now similarly here we write plus minus z whole cube. Now this is the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, because of 9 is a factor of 3. One factor is 3 is given, is obtained from there. Now 3 into a means what? 3x, b means what? minus y, and c is what? Minus z. Thus, dear students, in this way we get this. Now look, if we multiply that now minus minus converted into the plus, and plus minus minus, and 3 3s are 9 xyz. Okay, now in this way we can say that that is the question based on the identities a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So since we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c in one bracket, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula. Now we expanded them, we get what? A plus b plus c means what? A plus b plus minus minus y plus minus minus z. Okay, in bracket, and in another bracket we can write what? A square means what? A square plus b means what? Minus y square plus c square means what? Okay, minus ab. A means 3x into b means what? Minus ab. Minus bc means minus y into b into c means what? Minus z. Minus ca. C is what? Minus z into a means what? 3x. Okay, first of all we arrange it, now we simplify them. We get what? We get as what? 3x minus y minus z, and in another bracket 3 3s are, this is 9x square. Okay, plus minus y square as what? We get what? Plus y square, plus this is what? Plus z square. Okay, now minus minus what? Plus, so we get what? Plus 3xy minus minus plus, and plus minus minus, this is yz. Okay, different. This is minus minus converted into the plus now, and plus minus what? Minus. So we get what? Minus yz. Now here this is minus minus reaction plus, so this is what? 3zx. 3zx. Okay, so look. Now please, now you observe that amongst them, if any of these like terms or not, then all terms are different. So they never be add and subtract to each other, because of these are the unlike terms. Means that terms which have the different algebraic factors is known as the unlike. So here all these terms are what? Unlike terms. So we never to add and subtract. Now, so this is our required solution of the given question, dear students. So this is the one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. Let's see once more time. Dear students, first of all we write, this is the question here. So first of all we arrange the given question in this way. This is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Means we arrange the given question based on that identities. Okay. After that, dear students, we apply that identity. We know that already in previous class we already discussed about that topic. So from there we express the given result. We express the given result as what? A plus b plus c in one bracket, and in a square plus b square plus c square minus 3abc, minus 3ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, now we simplifying them. And hence we get our result as this. Okay, means 3x minus y z minus, then just the square of minus converted into the plus, same as the square of minus z square converted into the plus z square, and here minus minus, this is converted into the plus 3xy, and here minus minus plus minus minus yz, and here minus minus plus 3zx. Okay, dear students, so in this way today's class we discuss all that type of question. So please do more and more practices of that type of question. Now first you revise all the question which we discuss in that class. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on factorizations. Okay, dear students. Now thus, dear students, in next class we take and solve some other important questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, now first you revise all the questions, and then after you complete, you solve your NCERT exercise. Then after, in next class, we take and solve some other important questions based on factorizations. Okay dear students, now thanks to all